Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you another Easter basket a bit more on the traditional side. So everything I have here today is from the dollar store. So here I have some cellophane bags, which is great. It makes it easy to put the basket in. I have some jelly beans with a little stuffed toy on the top, which is really cute. I have a candy on a stick, some bubbles, and look at this beautiful cup that I saw. It's very nice. And here I have this basket. It came just like this, already with the Easter grass inside, so it's ready to be packed with your Easter goodies. I also have that little notepad on the side with a pen, which is also very cute. So guys, this basket is very simple and easy to make. You're just adding the items to the basket. I did, however, add some stuffing before adding the Easter grass, which is just regular paper and tissue paper, just to give it some height. So if you have a deeper basket, you would want to add some paper to give it some height. So this basket looks small, guys, but it has room for a lot of items. So go ahead and pack it in with your kids' favorite treats, favorite items, because once you had the cellophane bag or the cellophane wrap, it is definitely going to keep all the items in place. And please remember, guys, to give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying this video, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel, Eventful Living with Kay, if you haven't yet done so. So I did have to lift the basket to the bag without items falling. So if you have a shallow basket like this, you may want to add it to the bag first or to your cellophane sheet first before adding items to the basket, so you don't have to move it. So just do whatever makes it easier for you. So guys, this tie that I'm using actually came in the package, and in the package there were 2 of the cellophane bags, so that's actually a great value. But you can always switch out the tie for like a bow or a cute ribbon. So thank you guys again for checking out my video, and I appreciate y'all. I'll see you in the next video.